Welcome to another session of React tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will see React UseState hooks in detail with the help of examples. Hooks in React is a special type of function that does a certain job. It is defined by its prefix, that is use. Let's understand it by taking one example. Let's say we declared a name variable and wanted to change it on click. We could not update it on web page, though it is changed to other name. We can see that on console, as this variable is not reactive. Now let us come back to hooks. Let's discuss useState hook. UseState hook provides us a way to use reactive value and change it whenever we want to. At first, we need to import it from React library. Then we need to invoke a function call and store the default value inside an array, where the first value is variable and the second value is a function. Now the variable is made reactive and it can get re-rendered and changed inside the web page on click. The JSX template will be update the variable name on web page. We can pass anything inside useState hook, be it string, number, boolean or any other data type. So calling react.useState inside a function component generates a single piece of state associated with that component. Whereas the state in a class is always an object, with hooks, the state can be any type. Each piece of state holds a single value which can be an object, an array, a boolean or any other type you can imagine. This is a very handy tool which can be used for developing and testing. You can download it from Chrome extensions. You need to click on components. There you will find component tree and every detail about those components. You can also find its matching DOM component. It also has details about props and hooks and updates the states in real time. It can really be helpful while you are testing or debugging your application. We will keep coming back and forth to this tool as we progress in our course. We are now moving on to make some templates in blog app. Ideally, we need to have list of blogs which we can output in the template. We need to use some state to do that. In this case, we are going to use useState hook. It is required as the data might change in some time. We might delete a blog, update the blog. In that case, React should be able to update the DOM when that happens. At the top in our function, we will create some states. We will destructure it into an array and return array of objects. We have also passed some dummy values for now. Inside the template, we will have to create some function that can map to all the elements with the unique ID and render to it to DOM. For that, we are using map function of JavaScript. The ID should be unique, otherwise it won't work. Finally, you can add the following designs to make it look good. Thank you for watching our video. Please stay tuned for upcoming React tutorials. Please visit our website for more educational, engineering and career-oriented contents.